Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Galleria A-frame. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First things first, lay out your components on a clean, flat surface. Go ahead and start piecing together the components utilizing the push-button connections to start building your frame. The foot of the frame will have the cap at the end of the bar, whereas the top of it will be open for the top connector. The bottom of the frame gets the bar with the hook and loop strip. So go ahead and make that push button connection and install your top bar. Go ahead and install the opposite side. Again, just lining up those connections. And it fits together like so. Go ahead and repeat the same process for the other side. With the two sides of the frame now assembled, it's now time to attach the top connectors. Make sure that the pole with the hook and loop strips is at the bottom and faces toward the inside of the frame. So go ahead and attach the top connector. With the frame now put together, it's now time to apply your graphic. Go ahead and drape the graphic over the top of the frame like so, and make your connections with the hook and loop strips. And just like that, your Galleria A-frame is now ready for use.